Hi my simplee beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm showing this black owned business. This business name is Mesmereyes Company, and they sent me all these awesome goodies. Like, OMG, this box that they sent me was spectacular. Like, oh my gosh, I have lashes for days. This is one of the lashes right here. I love the detail in the packaging. Everything is so well packaged. I just love her packaging. Her packaging is everything so detailed, nothing flimsy whatsoever. And look at these nails. So these are the queen set nails. These are so pretty. Like, I was very surprised at everything I have received from this brand. I highly recommend this brand. Support small businesses. Look even to the detail of the flyer post, the everything. Like, the quality on here is so good. Okay, so these are her water activated gel liners. So basically you can spray, right? You can spray inside of there any water or setting spray, and you just activate it like that. So that's what you do here. Here are all the colors. You get a 2-in-1. That is so cool how she did that. So it's a 2-in-1. Her logo is on the packaging. Look at this packaging. Like, hello, quality is there, and she is giving. Okay, so right here, this is so cool. Oh my god, like, you can exchange, like, you can take out the different see right here, different brushes to make your lash, not your lash, your liner more detailed, bold, all of that. That is so neat. This right here is loose pigments. This right here is her loose pigment stacker. So this is so pretty. Like, it's giving me fairy vibes, unicorn vibes. It's giving me all of that. Okay, and you get a lot of product in these round containers right here. So one is Tinkerbell. I don't have the paper with me, but one is Tinkerbell. That was the first one, I believe. Bubblegum, shimmer, I think one was purple haze. If you follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow them on Instagram too. Everything is linked on there. Make sure you follow this brand, support this brand, and yeah, go ahead, support them, say I sent you, and yes, we go from there. Okay, so look at this. Oh my god, look at this shimmer. Everything. Also, she put some 2 brushes in here, an eyeliner brush and a fan brush, which is awesome. This right here, drama queen set. These lashes is right up my alley. Look at the packaging on this. I cannot express to you how this packaging is. It's so nice. Also, you get a spoolie for the lashes, and these lashes are so pretty. I love the holographic backdrop on this lash box. Is so nice. And these lashes, you guys, I cannot wait to show you these looks I'm coming with. Make sure you follow me on IG, because some of these looks I'm not posting on here, but I am posting on my IG page and on TikTok. So make sure you follow me on TikTok also, and also this brand on TikTok. I'll link everything down below in the description bar. Look at these lashes. These lashes are so unique. I never ever seen a lash like this before, so I cannot wait to rock those lashes. Also, I saw on their website they do have some colorful lashes, and you know that's trending right now, so that is so cool. All right, you guys, so I love how wispy they are, and then they fan out. So pretty. So this is her Instagram. Make sure you follow her on Instagram. They're showing you a little show of her Instagram, and you just go out there from Instagram. Her link is in her bio on her Instagram, and check out her page. This is her website. You go from there, you shop from there, or you can just type it in and go from there also. But yes, thank you so much for sending me all these products. I truly appreciate it. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.